The Culinary Arts Technology and Hospitality Management Technology programs offer students multiple opportunities to work in the restaurant, tourism, hotel, and other hospitality-based careers. The Culinary Arts concentration provides a solid foundation in the methods and science of cooking through exposure to classical, American, and international cuisine, as well as the art of baking and pastries. Special emphasis is placed on culinary tools, equipment, techniques, and specialty ingredients. The heart of the Culinary Arts program is hands-on lab instruction by a culinary instructor in a commercial kitchen. The Hospitality Management program provides specialized occupational instruction focusing on all phases of hospitality management. Students are prepared for careers as managers and supervisors throughout the hospitality and tourism industry. While the two programs go hand in hand with each other, they certainly have their different focuses. But if you have a passion for travel, adventure, or tasty food, this Northeast program could be your next step. For more information on these programs, send us an email at cteinfo@nemcc.edu or visit online at www.nemcc.edu.